Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to color your footage in CapCut. All right, so from Media, after you bring in your clip into the timeline, we're going to go up to the filters on the top left corner. And now we can mess with basically all of these filters. Right now, I like playing with Oppenheimer, but you guys can play with any you'd like. Or if you find some on CapCut videos, or rather on YouTube about CapCut, you can just type them in the search bar. Right now, I'm messing with the Oppenheimer, so we're going to click and drag it down to the timeline. And now we're just going to increase the length of it to fit the entirety of the clip. And with coloring footage, I mean, the best way to do it in CapCut is to actually start with a filter. I mean, that's kind of why they're there, right? So we can go up to the filters tab right here on the top right, and we can mess with the strength of this filter. So I kind of like it around 72%. Okay, so after that, we're going to go click on the clip itself and then go up to adjustments on the top right corner. Click on adjustments. And now what we can do is we can mess with the temperature of the video, the hue, the saturation, and then here are the colors, or rather the brightness, with brightness, contrast, highlight, shadow, whites, blacks, illumination, etc. Right? There's so many different things to choose from, and you guys should play around with those as you'd like to fit your clip needs, right? And now we can also go to HLS, and this is basically making if let's say you have the color red, right? I have a little bit of color red right here. It's the red is selected, so I'm going to decrease the saturation of red, and now all the red is gone. But now I'm going to increase the red, and now the red is really, really bright. And so you guys can play around with this as you'd like as well. With the curves, I don't really mess around with the curves. And then with the color wheel, you guys are able to play around with it also as you'd like. It's really amazing. But mostly what I want to show in this video is that there's so many different options with color grading in CapCut, and this is basically your best friend. Go to adjustments, basic through color wheel. That's what you want to play around with. So thank you guys for watching and have a great day.